Chapter 20. Observation Meditation. The Path to Rational Calmness on the Tatami. Introduction. In the heat of a fight, it's easy to get lost in a whirlwind of emotions and impulsive reactions. Observation meditation offers a way to find serenity and clarity amidst the chaos, allowing you to make more rational and effective choices. Let's delve into the technique and understand how it can be integrated into your Jiu-Jitsu practice. How to do it. During a flow sparring session, or even in a competitive fight, allow yourself to adopt an observer stance. This means that while one part of you is engaged in the fight, feeling, reacting, attacking, or defending, another part distances itself and observes everything as if you were outside of your body. Think of it as watching a recording of yourself. This observation can include noticing how you're breathing, what techniques you're using, how you're emotionally reacting, and even how you're positioning your body, all without pausing the required movement of the moment. Objective and benefits. 1. Stress and anxiety reduction. By emotionally distancing yourself from actions and reactions, you decrease the stress and anxiety load that often comes with competition or confrontation. 2. More rational decisions. This form of self-observation allows you to assess your actions and reactions almost in real time, which can help avoid impulsive decisions and permit more strategic choices. 3. Technique improvement. By observing yourself, you might notice nuances and patterns in your technique that might not be evident during regular practice. This provides useful insights for adjustments and improvements. 4. Enhanced self-awareness. The habit of mindful observation during a fight also translates into increased self-awareness off the tatami, assisting you in all areas of life. Practical exercises. Sparring with observation. During sparring, allocate a few rounds exclusively for practicing observation meditation. Initially, you might find it challenging, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Fight recording. Watch recordings of your own fights and try practicing distant observation. Compare what you observe in the recording to what you felt during the fight. This can provide valuable insights. Observation. Meditation isn't just a technique to enhance your jiu-jitsu, it's a tool for life. It enables you to distance yourself from the heat and pressure of the moment to make more informed and deliberate choices. This can not only make the difference between winning and losing a fight, but also between reacting impulsively or calmly responding to challenges in all life aspects.